Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to build a Linktree like link for your bio link, but I'm going to do it on your own website. Alright, so let's get started. What is Linktree? So on the internet there's this little fad where you could use the Linktree link, and then when people click on it, it comes up with just 3 simple buttons that would then lead people to another page. So there is value in this because it simplifies what you will have the user do next. But the downside is that now you are selling all that user's data to Linktree, and you're building SEO for Linktree, and we don't want that. So why don't we just build this whole thing on your own website? All right, so let's see how we'll do that. I've got a set of links that our friend Katie wants us to use. So Spotify, Apple, YouTube, and her website podcasts. Great, no problem. So let's go into the dashboard. Let's go to pages. Let's go to site pages. Let's add a new page. Okay, we're going to call it links. And we are then just going to publish it. Okay, so now we have a blank page. Okay, we're going to click use the visual builder. Alrighty, here we are. We're just going to build from scratch. And I'm going to do this very quickly. So we will just click here, new row, and then we'll do a button. Okay, we will center this button. And then we will edit this button a little bit. We will call this first one website. And we will give it a link of the website link that she wants. So just like that. And then if she wants to copy this style, let's see how we copy this style of Linktree. So it looks like it's a green, and then when you hover over it, it just keeps the border and goes to a white background. No problem. Let's go to button, custom style. We will make the text white. We will make the button background green. See if we can kind of match that fluorescent green right there. There we go. We will copy that color code, and we'll go to the border width. We'll make it 2 pixels, and then we'll make that border color also green. Looks like they have square edges. So instead of our normal nice little square edges, we'll make that 0. Looking good. Okay, and let's look at their text. Looks like it's a little bit smaller. So we will go to button text size, drop that down to say 18. Looks like they have a little more padding. So let's first work on the hover. Okay, so button background, let's click here for hover. So when things hover, we will change the color to white. And then when we hover, we also need to change the text color. So that is border. Where's our text color? Oh, there it is. So we will then click that, and on hover we will change that to our green. Oops, there we go. Perfect. We will also need, looks like they have a standard width, so let's do that as well. We will do a, we're done with the button there. Let's go to, let's go back to here. Let's increase our padding too. So it looks like they have around 20 pixels. make that the same. Make that the same as well. Okay, that looks good. Let's go back here in our button settings. That all looks right. Let's go to spacing. That looks good. Okay, that's looking pretty close, but you'll notice they have that width here. So if I wanted to copy that, let's just take a look here. Looks like that is 680 pixels wide. So we can do that. Let's go to our advanced settings. Let's go to custom CSS, width 680 pixels. There we go. Done. And let's really dig in. Let's look at their color. They're using this color right here. We can see from our inspector. So let's go back here. Let's go back to our design. Let's go back to buttons, and let's change that green to exactly match that. There we go. Here we are. Perfect. And let's go to desktop. Let's copy that. Okay. So now we got a button. Looks pretty similar. I made a bunch of styles. Let's see how it looks like in mobile. Okay, that's a little bit too big. So let's fix that. We'll go back here. Go to advanced, custom CSS. We'll click on this little thing. This is for responsive, so we can set different widths for different sizes. So for phone, let's change the width to 100%, and that way it fills the width. Okay, that looks good. So when we test it, perfect. There's a lot of spacing there, but we won't worry about that for now. Okay, so now we've got this button. We've done a bunch of styling. Let's just replicate this button and then switch out the links. So I can just go here and click duplicate, and then we edit it. So let's put in our other links. We got Spotify. I don't like to type, I like to copy and paste. Spotify. Let's put our link in, copy, paste, done. Let's go back here, copy this link. We will edit it, paste, Apple, done. We need some more. Let's copy that. YouTube, link, paste, done, copy. Oh, that's it. Okay. So let's delete that. We'll save this. And we just made a link tree. Let's look at it in, whoops, that's tablet. I don't like the way that's looking. Here it looks good. Tablet doesn't quite look right. It's not balanced. So let's go back in and fix that code. I'm gonna go here. Custom CSS. I actually want to change the custom CSS to something different. So I will just remove that and I will put that over here. Cool. And then I will just copy module style, paste module style, paste module styles, and paste module styles. All right, so let's see what it looks like now. That's better. That's better. Everything looks great. Okay, we're done. We have done our Linktree clone, but it looks a lot better, and it has Katie's branding at the top here, so it works very nicely. If you have any questions or need some help with your website, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching.